Hello, and where are we today, Mandy?
We're at the Craigellachie National Nature Reserve.
Yes, we're going this way.
So hopefully we're going up a wee bit higher today, so we get a few views.
Here we go. Right, just round the corner. We're looking. Some ducks. Big herring over there. That's the motorway. It's
Well, the A9.
the A9, M9, whatever you want to call it now. And there's wee ducklings in the middle of the water. So, I think we're going to have to do a bit of climbing today, a bit of walking up. So, you'll probably hear me, there's Mandy again, because we're going up there. Craggy bit there. I think we're going up there. We might be even going further than that. I don't know. Right, so first stop, the duckies, the motorway, the lock. And so it begins. There you go, if you look closely, you're looking down at Aviemore. You can see the home bargains. Right. If Home Bargains want to sponsor me for this, you're looking down at Home Bargains. I will tag you in the vid.
Go first, sweetie.
Okay, Home Bargains. If you don't sponsor me, I'm going to go for the Lidl next to you. It's no Lidl, it's Aldi.
Aldi.
It's Aldi. And Lidl, you can sponsor me as well then. Right, so we're heading up that way. Except we're going the long way, running up. Right, first section done. First pull up the hill. Knackers. Up there she. Absolutely knackered. She's there. It's a breeze for her. Me, done in. So we're up here now. If you look through there, you can see the retail park, car park. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up there. Still snow in them hills. So. Here we go again. We're all wee flat section now. Superb. Right, you come up there, in the back here. I think that's us heading in the back, isn't it? That's us heading round the back to go up the tap. So, keep going. Try not to blow too hard. Towards the viewpoint. There you go. Cairngorms scenic photo post. So, right. We were up that way the last 2 days, earlier. That is where Loch Morlich is, the Green Loch and ski centre. No, that is the ski centre there actually, right up there. Yesterday we were there somewhere. They built a garden. Can't remember where else were we? Put a garden where? Carbridge. With that old bridge. Is that Aviemore? So, we're on the move again. As you'll see, we're heading up there. People up in the tap up there. Andy's taking point. Wee tiny tree. Andy's taking a photograph. So, still on the shooter. We'll see what she's taking a photograph of. Alright. Nearly there. Nearly there, Andy. Nearly there. Just up there to go, I think. Up these stairs there. But, as per usual, once you start getting higher, even though it's not that high, they'll jump us backwards. Because the wind starts. We're up here now. We were going there a minute ago. That wee train went right through that gap there. You can see the spey. So, up there we go. Right, here we go. I'll go up the stairs because the stairs make it look a wee bit more dramatic than it.
Thank you.